Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix login errors in the Threads app. If you're having trouble with login errors, then don't worry, I'll walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, the error might be caused due to your internet problem, so scroll down and then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that loads. If that still does not load, go ahead and open your app store and then search for Threads and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, what you're gonna do is open your settings and then search for storage. Then go to the app that you are looking for and then just click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. And then if none of that works, just go ahead and delete the Threads app from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. And that's it. This is how you guys can fix login errors in Threads app. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.